in this question, we are given this pulley setup, and at point A, the cable is pulled to the right at 6 meters per second. We need to find the speed of the block at B. Okay, so to solve the problem, typical pulley systems, so first we need to define the datum line, okay, because we want to specify some lengths which can help us to express the length of a cable. Okay, so in this question, there's only one cable. So starting from point A, just go along all the pulleys and then terminate at this point. Okay, so based on the situation, I'm going to call this distance as A. And then there are also some fixed distance like here. These two pulleys have a fixed distance A. Similarly, these two pulleys will have a fixed distance.